PVsyst have preliminary design, but what is? How can help you? In this video, I will show you all things you want to know about that. So let's get started. PVsyst have preliminary design, and I'll have pictures to help you know general thing about that. Is pre-sizing step. Yeah, it is not a detail, it's just the pre-sizing. And two, with few characteristic, just 1, 2, 3, really few characteristic, is not the detail. And 3, without components, not specific solar panel or specific inverters in your design. And 4 is very quickly, only a few seconds or just 1 minute, you have the result about your design. Okay, so let's have some example with tie grid preliminary design here. Okay, so I started grid connected, choose the sign, and then go to the system with a few characteristics: active area, tilt angle. Next, choose some information, really few, you know, right? And you will get a result very quickly. You also can see the report. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have something to ask about PVsyst software, please leave a comment below and I will help you. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.